this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. I have to clarify something for you that I think will really help you. Stocks are like birds. They move in flocks. And one of the best ways to see where the birds are flying or what birds are leading is to take a look at the ETFs. Industries. You take a look at an industry that's doing really well, then you can instantly look at the stocks in that group and you will find winners. We systematize things at Mission Winners and it makes it easier for us. So let's take it from the top alphabetically. First one, this is Genomic Revolution ARC. This was really strong, but now it's dropped. A lot of that has to do with COVID and how things are changing with COVID. All right. It's not leading anymore. So just go to don't overthink it. This was nice trend. This is just nothing. Leave it alone for right now. The next one on the list, ARC Technology. This was really strong and now it's lagging. Will it continue? I don't know, but it's not in leadership mode right now. So, and you say, oh, maybe it's going to take off from here. Well, you know what? This pattern here is much better than this pattern here. So just take that and ponder it. Cloud computing bouncing off the 200-day. It was really strong. It's not as strong right now. Maybe it'll start to pick up, but at the moment it's nothing. Energy's still hanging in there. That's okay. Above the rising 21 EMA, so that's good. IBD 50 ETF, just kind of chopping around here. It was a leadership position, and right now it's just going sideways. Maybe it'll pick up. This one focuses on the max list stocks also, and look at this. Look what this did Thursday, excuse me. That's power. Like to see that. And is it an ironic? Because we talked about max list stocks with the Mission Winners folks. Here we go. Gold miners. There's nothing here. It's got a higher low. Yeah, okay, but it's nothing special. It's not leading. Neither are the junior gold miners. Neither is gold. Move on. Here we go. Cybersecurity was really strong and now it's just going sideways. Like to see it push over the 50-day. Biotechnology. It's just kind of going sideways. Was really strong related to COVID and everything else like this. Here it is. It's below the falling 50-day and a little bit above the 200-day. Big deal. You're not going to see this in any book saying this is what you want to look for to go long. When it was here through here, different story. North American technology, below the falling 50-day, nothing special. Medical was really strong, starting to lag here a little bit, nothing special. Home builders, that's good. Home builders. There's an important lesson, and I've mentioned this several different times over the last several months. Everybody says, oh, COVID's destroying everything. Well, they're buying the tar out of homes, okay? So I don't really get wrapped up in the news. There's a lot of news in the charts, and that's what I'll focus on because that's where the money is. Growth, S&P 500 growth. Look at this. Now this is doing well. And they own some max list stocks. Picking up. Good to remember, all right? IWM, hanging in there. Small caps. Airlines, hanging in there. Good to see. Mid caps doing well. Good to remember. Small cap, mid cap doing well. Oil services has had a nice run. Still above the rising 50-day. It's fine. Software lagging a little bit. Okay, maybe it'll change, but right now it's nothing. QLD finally started to show some life and push through the 50-day. That's good to see. Had a higher low here. Okay, starts to pick up. I like that. It would be really nice to see QLD and the NASDAQ 100 stocks starting to go. Same thing's true with QQQ. Cloud computing was great. We own some cloud computing stocks through this run, but it's below the 50-day, needs to show some leadership, nothing yet. Silver, there's nothing there. Well, this is it. What? Why not look where there's better things working for it? It's not happening at this point in time. Steel's hanging in there. Isn't that nice to see? Fell a little bit, but it's still above the moving averages. Good to see. Semiconductors, look at this. We own this. We bought this right through here. Look at the volume pickup. Good move. All the semiconductor stocks took off Friday? We own most of them with this. That's good. Letting it work. And notice it was above the moving averages and had a volume pickup on Thursday. There you go. Spiders hanging in there. That's nice to see. SSO, same situation. The 500. Solar lagging. Small cap starting to pick up a little bit. It was really strong, but it's lost a little leadership. What's the one plus? It pushed over the 50-day, and there's heavy volume there. Good to see. Aerospace and defense hanging in there. Something to look at. Biotechnology, another biotechnology. What does this tell you? Move on. There's nothing there. Home builders, another home builder ETF. Confirmation. It's good. Materials to build things, doing fine. Communications, hanging in there. Energy, going sideways, still okay. Financials, hanging in there, that's fine. Industrials, doing well. Now I'm going to pause here for a minute. Do you hear how many times I was saying doing fine, hanging in there, doing well? It shows you there's strength in the market. What's our job as investors? Look for where the strength is. Strength begets strength. Technology's starting to come back a little bit. Good to see. Consumer staples. A nice lift right here, okay? Fell on some volume. Still above the moving averages. That's good. Utilities hanging in there. Healthcare going sideways, hanging in there. Consumer discretionary doing fine. Metals and mining doing fine. Retail doing fine. Software lagging just a little bit. Okay, this is above the 50-day. This needs to push through the 50-day. This was really strong for a while and it's lost a little leadership. And we go back to the top. What's the moral of the story? Focus on where there are pockets of strength. Don't bottom fish. Strength begets strength. Focus on things that are above the rising 50-day or at the rising 50-day and look like they're pushing through. You'll do better there than trying to look at laggards. That's fact, not an opinion. So I wanted to share that with you, just a broad brush overview on what's going on with the major industry index ETFs. And I hope it helps you speed up that curve.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.